I'm just wondering how can we craft a question that is closer to the topic we are bringing.
I'm sort of imagining it's what are the stresses, somehow relating more deeply to a personal experience with the stress, and then what are practices for dealing with it differently.
If you haven't known yet, today we're going to talk about stress. So that's why we're coming here today. The point is not to eliminate stress in your life. The point is to see what is our relationship with stress and how we can see it and view it differently.
Today for this workshop, to talk about this question, we will use a process that is called World Cafe. And that is a methodology that is used by people around the world to host meaningful conversations. We will have 3 rounds of conversations. Each round will last for about 15 minutes, and in each round you will talk about a different question that is related to our overarching question. So, to begin this conversation amongst you, stress is a little bit abstract, and every person experiences stress a little bit differently. So our first question that we want to explore is, when and how do I experience stress?
The first one, I think it's very clear to us that we are stressed because of the deadline of our assignments.
Fitting in, since I'm not from here, so it was like it's a little hard. I experience some culture shock.
Like your family expectations, what they expect of us, what they want us to be.
My source of stress is not as significant as others, but it is the traffic.
How can you start responding differently to stress?
My suggestion when you have stress is to take some rest. But when you have deadlines ahead, the idea of have some rest is not really wise because you have a short of time. But actually, it's like I'm still confused about that because if you don't have a rest, you stress more. But if you have a rest, you lack of time and you still stress.
Planning and writing journals because I'm kind of like I forget things a lot, so I kind of write out to-do lists and basically sort out my life.
One of the ways to deal with stress is to deal with it like physically. So we can come up with a solution to just drink water.
I really want to get new good friends who listen to me, who help me.
Without anybody counting or signaling, we have to clap at the same time. Can we try and do that? Yeah. Okay, ready? Too early. Okay, let's try and sense the whole group to do it. We can do it let's do it one more time. Very close. All right. Thank you very much.